Hi there, my name's Graham Ford. I run a company called Graham Ford Architects. We design houses, apartments and sports buildings. Now we're best known for the design of buildings in conservation areas and in royal and regional parks. Over the last 20 years, I've designed a new boating pavilion in Hyde Park. I worked on the London 2012 Olympic Games, and I have a master's degree in sustainable architectural design. We have a 98% success rate in gaining planning permission for our projects. Now I have found that many clients have no clarity on how to manage a design and construction project, who they're going to need to help them get started, and even how much that project is going to cost. Planning permission costs a lot of time and money, and planning restrictions, particularly in conservation areas and heritage environments, requires an experienced team to prevent delays, costly mistakes, and even planning failure. Clients are not clear on how to get their project built, or even which builder they should use and which contract they should use. Clients are not clear on how to get their project built, which builder they should use, and which contract would be right for their building. They do not understand the risks of construction. They want a smooth, stress-free process, not anxiety and constantly rising costs. Now we've developed a methodology to overcome these problems. This methodology is called SPECS. SPECS stands for simplicity, precision, efficiency, collaboration, and sustainability. Now the first principle is simplicity, and simplicity is key in the design or the pre-construction phase. The benefit to our clients is that simplicity leads to clarity. Even a complex project can be broken down into smaller events that can be easily understood and managed. Simplicity means that you always understand where you are in the project, and we've developed a tool called a process map so that you always know where the project is and what the next steps are. This process map helps the team keep the project under control. Through many design iterations, we take a complex problem and we arrive at simplicity and elegance. Simplicity is an intense focus on usability and functionality. The second principle is precision. Now, precision is critical in all phases of the project, but particularly in the pre-construction phase where we develop a very precise set of construction documentation. Now, our drawings are fully detailed and fully coordinated with all the engineering information so that there are no surprises during construction. As we all know, nobody likes surprises during construction, and it's very difficult to change concrete or steel once it's installed on site. Now, poor quality documentation almost always leads to a poor quality product, as decisions have to be made as construction proceeds. Now, the benefit to our clients of precision is having a very good, accurate set of documents that can be followed by the builder, which ensures a smooth running project. Now, the third principle is efficiency. Everything we do during the project is designed to minimize disruption to your lives. Well-coordinated information is required during the project from the design team to ensure a smooth running process and to minimize disruption. During the project, we control the release of information, and everybody knows why it has been issued and why it is vital to the success of the project. Now, construction management requires great communication and great information. If this communication information is not there and not available, this is what causes delays and problems. Now, the benefit to our clients is that if a project is efficiently managed, it runs smoothly and it is completed quickly. The fourth principle is collaboration. Now, we are very easy to work with, and working with us, you'll be fully involved in the project and you'll be part of all critical decision making. We work with you to develop a brief that defines the priorities of the project. We build a strong team that includes the client, the architects, the engineers and the contractor. We work together with our clients and the local planning authority. We meet with the local planning authority and we make sure we address all their concerns to ensure that all project risks at the pre-construction phase are mitigated. We also work very closely with contractors before we start on site. This way, we use their knowledge of construction to ensure that buildability is built in to all the construction documents and all construction risks are thoroughly examined and mitigated before we start on site. The fifth principle is sustainability. Now, all our designs take advantage of solar energy and natural ventilation. A poorly designed building consumes a lot of energy and produces a lot of unnecessary pollution. The benefit to our clients is that a sustainable design will result in lower running costs for your building. Less energy will be consumed and therefore less carbon will be put into the atmosphere. Now, if you think this process might help you, please complete our diagnostic score app, which will help you understand where you are on the journey towards completing an amazing building. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and we look forward to working with you in the near future.